Hey folks, today is December 15th, and we are focused on pages 98 and 99. Okay, the first thing I want to show you guys though, for your do now, when we experience severe weather, so the word is severe, I have to blank. Okay, when we experience severe weather, I have to go in my basement. Okay, that's what you would do if there was a tornado. When we experience severe weather here, which is big snowstorms, what do we have to do? Okay, or high wind storms, things like that. Okay, all right. So that's kind of what your focus is. Okay, I'm already yawning. Sorry. Okay, so this is for page 98 and 99 in our book. Drought report and decade of drought both discuss what happens when parts of the world are hit by devastating droughts. Okay, so you are going to write a paragraph that argues which text is more informative about droughts. So, what you need to do is you need to flip back to page 92 and then also flip back to page 84, which is where drought report is. And you need to kind of pick which one for you gave you the most information, or the one that was most informative to you about droughts. Okay, all right. So you're going to write an argumentative paragraph. This prompt is asking me to argue what? They're asking you to argue which of the two articles was the most informative or gave you the most information. Okay, in the chart, write two precise words that can replace each everyday word. Then write one additional form of each word. Okay, so change. A precise word is to affect, and the word family is affected. Okay, so now we need to, so another word for change is to influence, influenced. I'm just going to leave this up here, okay, so that you guys can, let's see here. I know that it's often blurry. Okay, so I'm just going to do this. Okay, so another precise word for change is to influence. Okay, and the word family is influenced. Another word for change is alter, which is alternate. That's the word family, is alternate. Okay. Okay, now we have the word enough. That's the everyday word for it. Precise word would be adequate. Word family, inadequate. Okay. Satisfactory, satisfactorily. Sufficient, insufficient. Okay. All right. Now we've got less means to reduce or to limit or to decrease. Okay. We've got word family, reduction means limited or decreasing. Okay, now we've got bad, that's the everyday word, means severe. Okay, if it's bad, severe, severely. Could be devastating or dire, devastated, direly. Okay, I'm just going to leave this here for you. Go ahead and push pause. Hopefully you're able to see it without it being blurry. Okay, so push pause right here. Okay, now I have moved over to page 99. Okay, so we need to organize your paragraph. Take notes for your paragraph in the graphic organizer below. Topic, sentence, and reason. State the claim you will make in your paragraph. In my opinion, Decade of Drought by Ann Capeci is more informative about droughts than Drought Report, because it describes droughts around the world and includes photographs that show some of the effects of droughts. I don't want you to copy this word for word, okay? This is just an example All right, once again, I do not want you to copy this word for word. This is just an example. I want you to put what's your opinion. Is it Decade of Drought by this lady? Or is it the page 84, can't remember, the Drought Report by Jennifer Johnson? Okay, and then you need to put why you believe that. Okay, text evidence, what the text says. The drought resulted in shrinking reservoirs and groundwater supplies. The drought caused reservoirs and groundwater supplies to shrink. Okay, all right, so now collect details to support your claim. All right, destructive, so you got to go back to the thing, and you need to come up with details for what you described right here. Okay, write a concluding sentence that restates the claim and explains why it is true. In conclusion, I think that Decade of Drought is the more informative text about drought because it includes photographs and a map that show the range and effects of drought. Okay. All right, good. Okay, so that's where we're at today. All right, I want you to get these two done today. All right, so page 98 and 99. Okay, I want you to get those squared away. Don't worry about right here. It says write your paragraph. We will probably we will do that tomorrow. Okay, so 98, 99. One thing that you need to do, guys, is let's see here. If I can. Yep, I want to take a look at our reading. Independent reading. Okay, so right now we're just 9,000 words below what we did last month total. Okay, let's get it up there. I want to try to beat this, even though we have we only have 3, 4, 5.5 days of school. Okay, so let's for sure beat this one, and let's beat this one. It would be awesome if we could get up to here. Okay, all right. So that's our reading. Let's take a look at our student application. Our average time, as of yesterday, we put in about 12.7 minutes yesterday. Okay, so let's make sure that we're getting up there. Make sure we're getting our time in. Awesome, guys. Take care. Have a good day. Work hard.